What happens when you flip a shape, then slide it, then spin it? That's called successive transformations. Let's explore this powerful geometry tool. Successive means one after the other. We apply the first transformation, then apply the second to the result. The order matters. Here's triangle A. First transformation, reflect it across the y-axis to get B. Second transformation, rotate B 90 degrees clockwise to get C. Notice, reflection first, then rotation gives us C here. But if we rotate first, then reflect, we get a different position. Order matters. Worked example 1. Point P is at 2, 3. First, reflect it across the x-axis. The x stays same, y changes sign. P' is 2, -3. Now translate P' by vector 3, 1. Add 3 to x, add 1 to y. Final image P' is at 5, -2. Worked example 2, square ABCD. First, rotate it 90 degrees anti-clockwise about the origin. Use the rule, x, y becomes -y, x. After rotation, we have A' at -1, 1. Now enlarge by scale factor 2 from origin. Multiply all coordinates by 2 to get final positions. Common mistake: students forget to find the intermediate image first. Always complete transformation 1 fully before starting transformation 2. Don't skip steps. Remember, first transformation, then second transformation, gives final image. Always write the coordinates of the middle step. This prevents careless errors in exams. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more Form 4 maths lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com for past papers and notes. Keep practicing.